Hello, and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, thanks. It means a lot. Okay, today we are going to do an unboxing on something I've been waiting on for a long time. The prices are usually high on them. I happened to get this one for a really good deal, so I'm excited. Have not opened it yet. The only thing I did was take off the original yellow tape that was around the styrofoam whenever this thing was made. It's model number OT855. There was only 1,500 made worldwide, so I don't know what number this is. It could be 1, it could be 1,500, but we'll see it together. So I'm going to open it up now. Alright, as we can see, it's the OttOmobile. It's got the Mazda Motor Corporation, Honda, Mopar, all the major manufacturers. And this one is the Honda CR-X Mk.2 Red 118 OT855. Let's get it out of the box. Alright. Standard box. I believe this has the same writing on the back. I guess it's licensed by all the major car companies. Let me get it open. Okay, there's a little piece stuck right in here. It's pretty well wrapped. Some type of wax paper protecting it. And there it is. Zoom in. Wow, this thing looks absolutely amazing. The paint, the color, the detail. Sorry about the lighting, it's not that great. But you can really see. Wow. Even has the vent lines, or the defrost lines there. It's hard to get in with all this glare. The windows seem to be some type of soft plastic. They're not. It's not hard, so it can break. So be careful if you get this. But the detail is just phenomenal. And let's see what number I got. There it is, OttOmobile CR-X. Whoa. Double digits, 95 out of 1,500. Wow. So this is a first production. Super, super happy. Look at that detail. Wow. This is definitely a good buy. So these are selling online for anywhere upwards of 150 plus. Let me zoom in and get some better views for you guys. Just adjusting everything. Look at the detail on those defrost lines. This is an amazing model. There's so much detail on this. Seat stripes. The keyholes are painted in the door. Can't get it in focus now. Let me try and see if I can get some better shots of it. Alright, I got it set up here. Got a little flashlight so we can show some detail. Hopefully it comes through good. Hoping that we can get detail in this shot. There it is. About as close as we're going to get right there. Look at that. You guys can see the seat lines in there, the climate controls. I mean, the detail is outrageous on this thing. Let me try and get it to shine through the back here. I don't know if you guys can, yeah, you can. Look at that. I even see the red and the blue on the climate control in there. The vent lines. All on the seats. Everything's detailed. Let's see if the cluster's even got anything on it. Probably does. Yep, look at that. It's real hard to get in here with the lighting. But you can see the cluster there. It's got the tach speedometer. You can see the red on the tachometer, the little Honda symbol in the middle of the steering wheel. And again, this was number 95 out of 1500. Super low number. So yeah, super excited that I got this one. Turn this light off. So yeah, it'll go real good with the other CR-X I have. Two CR-X's right there. They're both 1/18 scale. I got the little trailer right here. This will go right on there. Sit perfectly. There it is. So now I own one, and I have the little tiny model one. Now all I gotta do is get a truck to pull it. And as you can see, it is the JDM glass top edition. Hope this helps you, and if you find one, they are a great detailed model if you are a Honda collector. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.